guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're in the machine shed. The combine's missing. I don't know where it went. I've got to get this stuff out of here. I've still got to get all them wagons cleaned off, mainly the roofs. There's always some corn silage that gets piled on there. Get them shoveled off, power washed off. Get this stuff out of here. This is where them 9 wagons go. That's the problem with all them wagons. They're nice to have, but you got to store them if you want to keep them like new. We got to get this chopper serviced still. Mark will do that when he gets done. He's down there with Dad. He's pulling the header cart. I've got my blowers all greased up, oiled down. They're gonna be sitting until next year. So Dad's headed down to that American flag barn, M53 in Bowers. We're gonna try to get that off. We're gonna put some wheat on there. That's the reason we're taking a break from high moisture grain. So we're gonna get some beans off, try to get some wheat in, and then take the high moisture grain. The high moisture grain can wait because we still got some green corn. There's a lot of moisture in it. So we've got a little bit of time, but we got to get moving. Hey, it's 70 degrees. Let's go. Combine action. That was Dad. The grain cart's down right now. We don't really use it much for beans anyway. Gearbox has had a seal out. He's loading that semi. You've seen Greg come in at the end, and he's gonna work that down. Disc it up. Got the packer behind there because that's a rocky field. Gonna knock them rocks back down. We're gonna go in there and hit that to wheat. So that was pretty cool. I'm gonna go up in this second silo. It's been ready for about a week. Been feeding on it. I like to go in there and see how it looks and let it down a couple doors possibly before it gets too far low where I can't reach him or I can't get in from the outside. The outside's nice. You get a fresh air and you can like leap in up the chute. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but I'll be there once it's too low. But right now, let's just go up the outside. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're up and in. Hey, she's probably a good 6-7 feet down. What I do is I'll come in here and I'll pull these doors out. Right here, one here, and one here. They had to be in, because when that unloader goes around, it has to be, you need something to go up against. So now it's below these, I can take these out. There's your chute. That chute's getting a little rusty there up there, I see. But all right, I'm gonna lower this pipe down. It's called letting the silo down. Lower it down. I'll lower the power cord through that hole, hook it on there. And this one will be set for a while. It'll be set for another, you know, this door, another door, be set for another 5 feet. So I'm gonna have to be in it for another 3 weeks or so. So let's get that done and get out of here and keep moving. Okay, got the cord moved, hung up, secure, out of the way so nothing will happen to it. You don't ever want this thing falling, because she's gonna, if she falls into them augers or something, you're gonna have a big problem. It's gonna eat it right up. So we're gonna be good here for another few weeks. Let's get up out of here. Hello? There's nothing easy about it. You'll never forget it. See how she's working now. Here she comes. We'll keep these bunks full. They've been eating a lot more. Every day this corn's getting better and better. It's not completely fermented yet, but as you look at these bunks, they're dang near licked clean. So if you want to get milk, you got to keep feed in front of them. Let's go. Let it run out, let the belt go up. Yeah, nice. Day's warming up. I'm feeling pretty good after climbing that silo coming down. I feel like heating up, sweating it out. What can I say? Those things keep me in shape. They're a pain in the butt, but they're also a blessing at the same time. Because if you want to do good things in life, you want to be ultra productive, you get that out. You gotta have energy. To have energy, you've got to be well rested, feeling good. Here's the old pipe. Daryl just changed. That was a plastic pipe. That was the first plastic pipe that we had ever put on here. It was cheaper, probably 10 years ago, and we'll never do it again. The sun will beat on them and make them brittle. Everybody probably knows that. It's common sense. This galvanized heavy duty one here, look at her, brand new. This thing will last a lifetime. So we got cheap on it, we won't do it again. So that's gonna blow. That's your next silo. That's your high moisture grain. We'll have a big grinder blower sitting here. We're loading with the combine and the semis, dump them in there, the grain trucks. And now let's see how low this is. Here we are. This is how low it is. All the way up. This is our big boy. So we got a little bit of work to do on this. I know he wants to rebuild the end where the augers are, and the chute, if you look right, that's a stainless chute. It's got a crimp to it, but look at this stuff. This is about the best grain anybody could ever ask for. I mean, you come out here, you look at it. Look at that stuff. It's like makeup. That stuff is high powered, and it will make milk. But you can't overfeed it. You overfeed something like that, you're gonna give them the runs. And here's what happened. This is that pipe. This is part of it. It's just brittle. Stick with steel, man. How's that for a snack? Man, they love that hay. That's that hay that come off that fourth cutting that we baled up a couple weeks ago. Got it dry. You can see how dry it was, man. They're digging right in. That's a nice little snack. Hey, last but not least, Rochelle went and got my girls from the school, and she got them here with me. They're in the house. I'm gonna grab them. We're gonna get my brother's kids off the bus in the Gator, and let's see how that goes down. It's always a special time when all them cousins get together. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Get in, guys. Guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Hey, Big Greg made it back. Big Johnny's here. The disc, the Colopacker, that's ready to be planted. So I want you to check out my website down the link in the description below. Get yourself a t-shirt, sweatshirt, a hat if you feel like it. Appreciate you watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, stick around for a while, and see you in the next one. Thanks.